Clamping miter joints with bar clamps is a frustrating tug of war. The wrong amount of clamping pressure and the joint slips out of alignment, compromising the entire glue up. The miter clamping tool from Woodpeckers solves this problem by directing clamping pressure straight across the miter joint, pulling the joint together instead of forcing the 45-degree miters to slide against each other. Just clamp to each workpiece, then apply a third clamp across the joint using the V-sections in the clamping block. This ensures direct clamping pressure across the joint. Available in 2 versions, the MCT works with any stock width, from tiny quarter round to the largest picture frame moldings. Plus, softened ridges in the face won't mar your stock. Put together 1 corner at a time, or get the 8-pack and assemble all 4 corners at once. The miter clamping tool from Woodpeckers, precision made in the USA.
Here are a couple of quick tips for easy, accurate cutting with your square cut. First, make sure that you install the rubber feet that come with the square cut. They help it grip the board as you work. Next, set up the guide arm by making a test cut in a piece of scrap stock. Make sure that the saw's blade won't hit the guide arm on this first cut. Then hold the square cut against your board and cut by guiding the saw along the edge of the square cut. Now, without moving the square cut, loosen the bolt that holds the guide arm and slide it over until it's flush with the end you just cut. Then just tighten the bolt back down. With the guide arm positioned, every cut with the square cut's easy. Just align the guide arm with your cut line, hold the square cut in place, and make your cut.
Do you ever find yourself working on the narrow edge of a workpiece? It's not easy to steady the ruler and place your mark. You might try marking the wide face, then transfer the mark with a square, a tedious and slow process at best, but not anymore. Introducing the Incra Bend Rule. The bend rule's 90-degree shape locks snug against the corner of any workpiece, while the corner marking slots let you wrap your mark all the way around the corner. And it stays in place with just one hand for those difficult vertical measurements. Microfine marking holes and slots at every measurement ensure effortless accuracy. Here, we're laying out a hinge mortise. Use the end of the bend rule to draw perfect perpendiculars and draw precise parallels with the vertical marking scale. This job used to require all of these tools. Now it's quicker, easier, and far more accurate with Incra rules. Recognize this problem? You're trying to confirm a measurement on a drawing and the ruler is too thick to let you get an accurate reading. You lean over the ruler and parallax drives you crazy. You stand the ruler on edge, but then the marks disappear. The Incra Bend Rule solves all of these problems. The triangular shape puts the scale lines right on your work and angles the numbers right at you. No parallax, easy to read, perfect accuracy. Incra Bend Rules are offered in 6, 12, and 18-inch lengths, with metric versions also available.
Drywall axe. Measure, mark, cut. The Drywall axe is a time-saving 3-in-1 cutting tool designed for safety, ease, accuracy, and versatility. Easily measure, mark, and cut with one tool that can withstand the demands of contractor use. With its built-in heavy-duty measuring tape and secure lock, retractable utility blade, and solid grip, the Drywall axe makes it easy to get professional results in less time. No more measuring twice and then cutting. Now you can measure and cut in one easy step. Simply pinpoint the start and determine the width required, then lock it down. Physically transfer your measurement and accurately score your material in a straight and consistent line using the built-in tape measure guide. The durable ABS head and rubberized handle help to maximize the balance and control, giving you a straight, predictable, and precise cut on a variety of building materials. There's a built-in holder for a carpenter's pencil for added versatility, repetitive tasks, or quickly measuring a full-length rip cut. The Drywall axe isn't just for drywall. It's useful for anything from the floor of a basement to the roof of a home. It's ideal for
Get precise with the Craftsman corded 5-amp variable speed jigsaw. Featuring a variable speed trigger, this saw offers tremendous control, as well as 4 orbital settings to adjust the cut aggressiveness depending on your material and application. A bevel shoe lets you pivot for angled cuts, and its lightweight design and contoured overmolded handle makes it comfortable to use. At the end of the workday, it can be stored conveniently within reach. Make clean cuts with the Craftsman corded 5-amp variable speed jigsaw. Craftsman, we build pride.